oh my God, this thing jumps up and goes, dog. Got that fresh Duralast Gold. Let's head back to the crib and get this thing going. Alrighty, man, just pulled back up to the house. Got the battery already in here. That thing sounds way more powerful now for sure. Let's see. Gotta go get some gas in this joint, so I'm gonna throw on my helmet and stuff. Y'all can slide with me if y'all like. Them things look good, man. Ooh, wait. Oh my God, y'all, I don't normally cuss like that on my channel, but when I tell y'all this bike is so fast, bro, I just got rid of a 107 and that feels nothing like that. Like, oh my God, this thing jumps up and goes, dog. Like, bruh, I'm so freaking amazed right now. Like, I don't even want to touch it right now. I ain't gonna even hold you. I just want to enjoy it and ride it. Even the ape hangers feel good. Like, y'all hear the pipes back there? Oh my God, this thing feel good, dog. I'm excited. I really am. That I was gonna hit my boy like, hey, yeah, man, get the cam and all that on order. I don't need none of that, man. This thing is ready to go. I ain't touching nothing. It's time to get this thing fly, man. As soon as they come on with this green light. All right, man, so we filling up. I'm just sitting here thinking, I'm like, bro, there's no way this thing has a 107 on it. Like, I literally just got off a 107 and it didn't feel nearly like this. Now, of course, this bike has the 2-into-2 pipes, but there's no way only the pipes can make that difference. Now, he probably got a tune, but my guess is he got a cam or something as well, because this definitely does not feel like a 107. Now, this could be a 114 with a 107 breather on it. I don't know if they was just trying to trick somebody out, but it's definitely not a stock bike. That's for sure, man. I'm excited about this one, y'all. Y'all don't even know. Fuck. Now the brakes are squeaking because, of course, it's been outside in the rain and all that stuff for like 4 months, but it's the special, so it's got way more features than my Street Glide had, that's for sure. Like my stock one, that's for sure. That's crazy, y'all. Y'all don't even know. I'm excited right now. Now, it's got this single shifter on there, but never really had just a single shifter, but it's all right, I guess. I don't really care for it. I'd rather had a double whammy. Man, just made it back, man. When I tell y'all this thing is not stock, do not let this 107 sign on the side fool you, dog. I can tell you that for sure. This thing is not stock at all. I'm actually really loving it. I don't want to change nothing at this point right now. I just want to ride it. To be honest, I just want to ride it and enjoy it right now at this point. Still trying to figure out some color schemes and stuff like that. Not really in a rush, so just trying to freaking let it flow, man. We'll see what happens after we get the other bike painted, how I'm feeling color scheme wise. But for now, this is what it's gonna look like, man. I'm digging it. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, man. I am really loving this bike right now, dog. Man, y'all not gonna believe what happened, bro. I'm over here freaking just talking to Dre on FaceTime, showing him the bike and stuff. I'm like, bro, look. I open this joint. I'm like, what the heck? Bro, why is the keys right here, dog? Oh my God, it's game time. Oh my God, that's crazy, dog. Man, shout out my boy Dre, man. My boy told me to bring the gas can yesterday. He didn't even tell me yesterday, but he was like, man, whenever you go on long trips, bring the gas can, man, because you just never know. And right before I left on this trip, I just threw it in the car. I was like, man, let me just throw it in the car. So, man, that's crazy. Then showing on the bike right now, I didn't even see the keys when I seen it yesterday and cleaned it up and everything. I still looked in here and everything. I still didn't see no keys. So I was showing him and look at what we found. That's crazy. Fresh set, man. I'm excited, dog. Y'all go subscribe to my dog right now in the link below, man. So I freaking was trying to lock the bike and try out the security feature and stuff. I don't know what I did. I pushed it down too much, but it's not unlocking like it should, but it's still coming on. So I don't know, the homie about to come through and do this little, I guess, line it up for me, because apparently I'm not doing it right, and I've been messing with it for a while. It's crazy. Literally made a problem out of nothing, but it does ride and look nice, man. I'm so just overwhelmed, just excited with this bike, dog. Y'all don't even know. It's crazy. And it's canned and freaking got pipes already. Like, I don't even gotta do nothing. So my man just pulled up on me, man. You know, this ignition is pretty simple, but you know, I just can't seem to get it. Even with the last bike I did have to take the ignition off, I didn't get it myself either. So I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I'm sure he gonna come and get us real quick and get us back on the road. But I'm already thinking about a scheme, man. So literally I'm gonna go to the powder coat place tomorrow, see if they got the color I'm looking for. If they do, then the bike is getting taken apart that quick. So we'll see what happens, man. Man, y'all see my boy then came over here, man. He definitely got it off, man. So let's see if we can get this thing back going, get the forks unlocked and stuff, man. I'm excited, man. I'm happy now. This thing was in there stuck, but we got it out, man. Let's see. Hey, man, y'all see what's going on. Y'all see the bars is straight. Back in line, back in action, man. See, too bad I got the baby over here tonight, man, or else I would be sliding tonight, man. But he hooked us up today, man. So shout out to the homie, man. Y'all see what's going on, dog. Alrighty, guys, and just like that, we got it good to go. I don't know what it was. I guess I had to shake the handlebars loose to get that pin under there loose, but the homie did come through for us and got us back right. So, man, I can't wait. Really nice bike. I'm excited. Now I do have a color scheme in mind already. So just about to go to the powder coating shop tomorrow to see if they got the color I'm looking for to go with it. As for the black bike, we got about maybe 19 tickets left. So be sure to get your tickets now if it's not sold out by the time I put out this video, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got the road glide back there, man. We got the street glide back there, man. I already ordered the parts for you guys' bike. I say you guys is because that bike is gonna go to whoever wins the bike, man. So I ordered a CVO rear fender. I ordered a new set of bags. I ordered the little saddle bag rail guards as well, so we don't have that old electric glide look. Ordered an inner fairing because we're gonna be getting the inner fairing painted color match. This is gonna be a really nice bike, man. So whoever wins it, man, I can't wait for you guys to shine. Gonna throw some flavor on there for you, man. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna get it in. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let me know what you think about the road glide so far, man. It's time to go up, man. Until next time, though, I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.